with Gaire, and I'm proudly standing for the position of KOISS President. I strongly believe that student life at KOI should be active, inclusive, and empowering. KOISS should not just exist in name. It should be a vibrant platform where students connect, lead, compete, innovate, and truly enjoy their journey at KOI. I currently serve as the soccer and futsal club president at KOI, where I have organized competition, managed teams, and worked closely with students and staff across campuses. Before Kingston Institute, I was the Junior Red Cross Society president at my school, where I learned leadership based on service, responsibility, and teamwork. These roles have given me a real hands on leadership experience and the confidence to take initiative and deliver results. My vision for KOISS in 2026 is simple but powerful. In Term 1 of 2026, I plan to organize a King's On Institute wide futsal tournament involving both students and teachers. This event will promote well-being, teamwork, and stronger student-staff relationships. It will also act as an official selection tournament to form the first official KOI futsal team. In Term 2 of 2026, that official team will represent KOI in inter-university futsal competitions, competing against other colleges and universities. This will build pride, confidence, and recognition for Kingston Institute at a wider level. But my vision goes beyond futsal. I also plan to revive and strengthen cricket at Kingston Institute by organizing internal cricket matches where possible, forming an official KOI cricket team to compete with other institutions. For students interested in technology and innovation, I want to expand coding and IT based activities such as coding competitions, hackathons, beginner friendly workshops, and collaboration with IT students to build up real world skills beyond the classrooms. In addition, I aim to support other sports and activities like basketball, badminton, table tennis, and fitness events, ensuring that students with different interests all feel included and valued. Most importantly, as KOISS president, I will be a strong voice for students. I will actively listen to your concerns, communicate openly with management, and work with the KOISS team to turn ideas into actions. I believe leadership is not about position, it's about showing up, taking responsibility, and delivering outcomes. If elected, I promise energy, transparency, and commitment. Together, we can make KOISS 2026 more active, more connected, and more student focused than ever before. Thank you, and I will be honored to have your support.